Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Ashley from NumLookup, and today we're diving into a topic that affects all of us: fake text messages. Yep, those little annoying texts that try to trick you into giving away your personal info or even your hard-earned cash. But don't worry, I'm here to help you spot them from a mile away. So let's get started. First up, let's talk signs. One big red flag is poor grammar and spelling mistakes. Real companies have editors for their messages, so if you see a text riddled with errors, be suspicious. Another giveaway is urgent language that pushes you to act fast, like claiming you need to verify your account immediately or lose access forever. Always take a moment to think before you react. Next, check the sender's details. If the message is from an unknown number that doesn't look like a typical phone number, it might be a scam. Legit businesses usually text from a recognizable short code, not a full-length phone number. And if the text claims to be from a company you know but feels off, reach out directly to the official contact number or website to verify. Now let's talk about links. Scammers love to include shady links that lead you to even shadier websites. If you get a text with a link, don't click it right away. Hover over it with your mouse, or if you're on a computer, press and hold the link on your phone to preview the URL. Look for weird characters or a misspelling of a known brand name. These are telltale signs of a phishing attempt. And remember, you've got tools at your disposal. Apps like NumLookup can help you identify who's behind those mysterious numbers. Just plug in the number and we'll do all the detective work for you. It's a great first step in protecting yourself. So there you have it, folks. Now you know how to spot a fake text message like a pro. Don't let scammers get the best of you. Stay vigilant and keep your personal information safe. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Got a question or a topic you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.